you gonna tell them what it is? You got the thing on. What is it called? This is
Korean barbecue, y'all. Look at it.
Can you put your mic on?
All right, we back, y'all. My woman told me to put my mic on. She on my head. Korean barbecue, y'all. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. No, I just want to go and try it first.
You take some.
She was squeezing on there first.
You take some carrots.
I just wanna know if you my friend.
Big carrots like this.
I just wanna know if you
There it go. Ain't no line getting on there, y'all.
I know I've been away. Just trying to get my
We supposed to eat this in one bite, How you supposed to get it in one bite?
Kilo. This kimchi. Yeah, we going with it. It's good. It's good.
Okay. It's different. Think about it. Yeah, we trying this stuff. I'm gonna drop all the kimchi right here. You said it is kimchi?
Yeah, I like it. Now, is this something that I have to do? I wouldn't do this every time I came. This would be like you crave, you want something spicy and all that type of thing. They're really do you like kimchi?
Yeah, it's real crunchy. Yeah, I like the flavor on it.
They ain't never some spicy eggs.
I like
So
the
you
little,
like the little carrot and all that mixed together.
yeah. I like the little sauce I got on it too. It's good. Y'all know what the other stuff is. It's just the Old Baby. You already know what this tastes like. It's gonna slide and glide it on all on. Which one gonna eat first? It's emerald. Oh, yeah, see that? I want y'all to see it. Oh, my goodness.
Next part is this is the
Look at it. Okay, so the phone do what the camera do. The phone do what the camera do. Automatically zoom, focus for you. Focus, 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 focus. Oh, this is carrots. What? I ain't put no, what's it called on it yet. This what you get. She look bad. It automatically do it. Let me find that. But we got a new bottle. We had it first. Gotta get a little shake on it, y'all. You don't need much. Just a little dab on it. A little dab of ranch. Yep. Yeah, I'll get one more. Then I'm good. So good, y'all. Just the elote. I forgot I got the time on. Just the elote one, y'all. You got corn on it. All that good stuff. Woo.
Have you listened to it before, like what it sounds like? Is it louder than your normal?
see.
It's because y'all watching. Stop watching.
Wow.
Y'all don't gotta stay there for it. Y'all want to watch?
No. I think so. It's my birthday. Ooh. So good. I like the corn the best.
We still not doing my color.
And
I know you have to do it. I'll take you to come to. It's crazy. We like the same stuff. But when it comes to something like this, it's crazy how we slice. When it be simple stuff, we actually like it. Well, not simple, but I'm talking about like spiritual.
dang, I done dropped the stuff.
Just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you,
Drop some of my things.
what will you do? You just step back, you duck it out. Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you
Yes, cool, y'all. Cool.
I know I've been away.
That was the first one to do.
The corn? The corn or the depth? No, no, the one I just finished.
Yeah.
I just finished the kimchi, but that was my first corn one.
Oh, okay.
I had before that. Yeah. Yeah, I put what you got on this. This is so delicious. Yeah, when I grow up, I think I want to be an oyster.
I thought you guys.
I ain't that old yet. Got a drink. Oh yeah, y'all look. I finally got my nails done again. It's been a long time, y'all. Focus.
She cheated on her nail teeth.
I ain't mean to. She just was busy. I had missed her, but it was my fault, y'all. And I cried on the inside. But you know, it's alright. We'll see her soon. I'm sorry.
And how many episodes? About 2.
Well, you know, I had intentions. What's wrong with me?
Y'all, she really do like voice. It was crazy though. This girl tried, but nothing at first. Now she just over here. What's the look?
I eat the boot off of them.
The raw one too?
You're going too far. I'm gonna eat some of these, y'all. I kind of don't like the way they look, so I'm gonna eat them.
You gotta dress it up. I ate it like that. I don't need to. You don't got that much flavor on that like that. You gotta put the hot sauce in there. They don't
I mean, that meat. All or nothing, y'all. Come on out there.
with a
What, you burger? Folks like the burger.
Ooh. I'm over there.
You know, fancy.
You look fine, baby.
This you look good, brother.
I said, look, I see.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I know.
Man, when you don't go play like real golf, like real golf, like you gotta do like how
I
they
don't know what the hell I'm doing.
don't be taking that paint off the knees. Yeah, but they're too big.
Y'all don't know what my woman be thinking. Cause I'm gonna take the paint off. If the paint is coming off there easy, that mean I ain't need to get them done.
Damn, your nails can't do them. You can cheat. I don't know what it's gonna do. I know what that girl do. I don't know what them folks do when they sit down and shit. What they gonna do? I don't know.
You let Ling Ling and them make it. Cause they was the last resort and they did what they could.
Who was
Ling Ling. Ling Ling did what she had to do. No, that's the same person today. Ling Ling did what she had to do. Mm-hmm.
Like they over there doing they know I'm like 2 days this time.
My gosh.
They over there.
Oh, I'm going too slow. I'm somebody thing. Yeah, I'm gonna be going too slow, yeah.
Nah,
Oh. You want them up?
you just wake up and just do your thing.
You could have asked them up.
Just do your thing. I was gonna say, I'm gonna check, grab Tabasco.
Nah,
You started to say,
I don't do that bad stuff.
We had qualm. We had qualm. Years. I'm like,
Oh, my hair, it's going on, man. First he gave Granny wig.
nah,
And then my grandmama said it too. She said I got a wig just like this.
say like we get like hairstyles like back in the day.
Yeah,
It was
that's what I
big.
said. And I thought about that at first. So I said, dang, I should have waited till next week to do it.
Yeah, like it looked good. So I like
Everybody pissed me off. Do you hear me?
I'm a forever city Rockefeller. That's my favorite one. But this second up. Then right behind. And she like these. They cool. They cool.
Okay, they are good.
Now they are
my
good.
favorite
I'm not
one.
saying they not good. It's just that Rockefeller and them. That was my first time trying them. Somebody gonna get this. You gotta take it off the table. You so like, look. No friend, no business. If I see you, then I see right now. I see you.
They gave the first one anyway. You got that first.
You get something.
I'm sorry, boo.
You can't put that bling in their face. I'll show it to them. Y'all should have lost it.
Yeah. It wasn't nothing to see on them, y'all. It was already gone. She just talking because
That's the last one.
this one is the best one, y'all.
No, this is not the best one.
Don't say the best one.
Comment down below which one y'all think. And if you not handsome besides the ones you talk about, let us know what they look.
Let me eat these first. These, these aren't really smacking. Alright.
Okay, y'all. So we finished up at Keg and Barrel in Ocean Springs, right, y'all? Because that's the side we was on all weekend. So we finished up eating there. And then we went to this little spot, y'all. I had been talking about it for a while. She thought I hadn't been, but I have been. So keep watching. Y'all. Lord, I done walked this y'all. Yep, Lord, yep.
my trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back?
That one's good though. I like it.
All right, y'all. I got the muscadine, and she got this one mine, y'all. Ain't this cute? I got muscadine, y'all. Which one is this? The pineapple. Pineapple sesame.
That mug good. So you already tasted it before. That mug good. I ain't
Like
think I was gonna like it.
I thought she was gonna like it, y'all.
Yeah, that mug good. I think this might be like the only beer I would drink. It's good.
That's good.
They taste like wine. This don't taste like beer.
Straws back there, here. Baby, cause I don't know about y'all, but we really don't drink on the glass. Thank you though. I'm with back. Can we take this home? Wow, mama, this is cute now.
I might as well go ahead and okay. Gotta get my legs together. Okay. Now I'm good.
It's really good, y'all.
Yeah, that muscadine good too. I think I want to try that.
I done got beer daiquiris. See that?
Where?
It say ask about beer daiquiris.
Huh.
Alright, so the next